Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Zara haul. I got some cute pieces that I'm really excited to show you guys. This jumpsuit that I got it from Marks and Spencer's. It was in the sale. I actually bought one for my mom for £34 and then I saw it for myself for like £12. So I was like, oh my god, let me just get it so we can be twins. But yeah, I like it. It's a bit baggy in here, but I like it. It'll be perfect for the autumn time and just a general day like today where it's raining. So yeah, let's get into this video. Again, a really nice dress to wear out in the summertime, casual, day out in London, trainers, going out shopping or just having fun on a holiday. Love the print and the colours are just so gorgeous. I got in a size small and it was £28. Material's nice. It's kind of it's very warm, I will say that. It's very warm. So I think you could wear this in the UK. You can get away with it. You can actually stay warm whilst you're out and about. If it's really hot, maybe it's not the best outfit to wear. It does have buttons, so like a shirt effect. But I've just taken most of the buttons down and just left the one. Give it a bit of sex appeal. But yeah, the colours and the print is just gorgeous. My rings just match with everything. It just make everything else that I'm wearing like just more fun and, you know, exciting. Primark, literally £2. My friend had them and I had to ask her like, where'd you get them? They're so cute. But yeah, really cute dress. Love it. So nice and casual. Yeah. So the colour of this dress looks amazing on, but it doesn't fit very nicely on my body. Like, it makes my stomach look very boxy. I wish it was a bit tighter like that, then it would look nicer on. But the colour is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I got in a size small and it is £18. Unfortunately, because it doesn't fit very nicely, it's going to be a return. Because I can't even size down to an extra small. But if you're someone who's got like a fuller, curvier body, definitely try this out. Maybe size down as well. I do think it is a really nice dress, but just doesn't sit nice on me. But yeah, something cute. Something for the Christmas party or keep it in the wardrobe for Valentine's Day. A very, very short red dress, although it covers everything up, but it is a mini dress for sure. Satin, and it feels so nice. I love this effect with the material that is kind of like layered. Really, really nice. Size small and £28. Is lined, so you're fully secure. I'm not wearing a bra and you can't see anything. Really cute. I think it would look great for Valentine's Day. And maybe a naughty Christmas party, you know, depends who you're celebrating it with. But yeah, I like it. Really, really cute dress. Show you the side and the back. Serena Williams Jr. Well, she already has a daughter, Olympia, but this is a very tennis dress. Like, I feel like this is perfect for Wimbledon. If you don't want to dress like super classy, you know, because the women there, you know, they're very high caliber. But yeah, really fun dress, great for dancing. If you want to move your hips. I like it, but I just don't think it was something that I would actually wear out. Like maybe like one occasion and then it just kind of ends up in the back of the wardrobe. But I love the color. It looks great on my body. It like just makes my body look amazing. I got it in a size small and it was £18. Really cute though, right? It's cute. It's a cute tennis dress. Loads of different colours, but I thought the orange would look really nice on my skin colour and I think I've picked the right colour. So yeah, I'll show you the side and the back as well. So a cute dress, but just not for me. I also got this kind of fishnet dress from Zara. I'm not loving it. It was £50 and I got it in a size small. It literally is like a fishnet. And yeah, it's okay. but I just don't love it, you know, and I really want pieces in my wardrobe that I truly love. I think it would be nice for like one night out, you know, dress up, but it's just something that I wouldn't go to in my wardrobe to be like, yeah, let me wear this again. It's just not a staple, like something that stands out for me. So it's got spaghetti straps. Sorry, I am wearing my bra. If I take my bra straps underneath, then you can kind of see what it would look like properly. Okay, so that's with my bra straps hidden. So it's a nice dress, but just I don't think it really does it for me. Just not worth it. I absolutely love the way this dress flows. The tie effect, tie-dye effect is so gorgeous. The colors are amazing. Zara design team need a raise. They need to raise Zara because they just always get the assignment right. This is £50 and I got it in a size small. I do think it is very expensive for what the dress is. Maybe the process of making it was expensive, but a bit on the price side. I would like to look for it in the sale section. But really gorgeous. This is the front. And it feels like you're wearing like a wedding dress. It just feels like you're floating. Because it's got so much material at the bottom. I am wearing a bra, but you can see that it is backless. Like it's got that nice cut. And it just sits on my body so like flawlessly. It's just, I feel like an angel when I'm walking in it. Finally, I got this skirt from Zara. Don't get it. Like the material is terrible. It feels like primer material. It's horrible. £28 for this? No. I'll show it to you, but I wish you could like feel like it feels like Primark. Like £10 at the most is what they should charge for this. 28. Zara is taking the. It's yeah. I'll just be quiet and just turn around. But it's a hamster. So with this look, I completely messed up the size of the top. I was meant to get a size small and somehow I managed to get a size medium. I like the top, but I just don't think it'd be something that I would actually wear. I just saw the outfit on Zara and I thought I would like try it on for myself. It looks nice, but it's something that I think I would only actually wear once. So I don't think it's worth purchasing it for me. The top is cool and for other people maybe something that they would wear, but for me, just not feeling it. The skirt is £30, the top is £25. Again, the price, I don't love it, so I can't really pay that much for it. And yeah, it needs a good iron. The skirt has a massive slit. Well, not massive, but quite a high slit. Everything is nice. Does need a good iron though. Satin film. I just feel like I want to get on the dance floor though with this outfit. It just feels like you just want to move your body in it. I believe, okay, this is a medium, but I was supposed to get a small, and this is a size. The skirt is a size small. Yeah, sizing for the skirt is pretty good, but the top I completely messed it up. Oops. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for all your support. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on my videos because it helps so much.